lifelong superstar through her exceptional career and box office achievements. She consistently respects and reaffirms the national artist for film as the ultimate superstar of Philippine cinema that flashes her acknowledgement, both reverence for her trailblazer and pride in her own career, a graceful balance of admiration and confidence. Cementing her showbiz appeal and leadership among her contemporaries, Juday is indeed a Nora Honor protege with her incomparable brilliance and confidence that influenced television and Philippine cinema. Nora Honor Superstar awardee, Ms. Judy-Ann Santos.
First of all, good evening to everyone. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng FAMAS, maraming salamat po sa recognition na to. Though wala naman po talaga makakapalit sa nag-iisang Nora Honor. Pero siya ang nagbukas at nagpilitaan para sa aming mga ordinaryo at pangkaraniwang nangangarap. Dahil sa kanya, nabigyan po kami ng pag-asa. Salamat po sa recognition na to. Hindi naman malalagpasan ang narating ng nag-iisang Nora Honor. Sapat na sa akin na nagawaran ako ng may pangalan ng nag-iisang superstar. Maraming salamat.
Producer of the Year is a
icon is a key chapter in her illustrious career. She not only became a household name as a child star, but also garnered multiple famous awards for her exceptional talent. Her career is a testament to talent, adaptability, and resilience in an industry that can often be fickle. She grew up in front of the camera and managed to stay relevant as she matured. A feat that many child stars struggle to achieve. Judy-Ann Santos' famous journey, marked by awards and recognition, showcases her dedication to her incomparable craft. Famous child icon of the Philippine cinema, Judy-Ann Santos.
Again, Thomas, thank you so much. Almost 4 decades in the industry, I still love this girl. Hindi siya madaling mahalin, hindi rin siya mahirap mahalin. Mahirap lang manatili sa industriya to kung hindi ka totoo. So this recognition, I would like to offer this to each directors and producers na nagtiwala sa akin ng bata ako. From Direk Argel Joseph, Direk Enel Cruz na nagbuo ng Mara Clara, kung paano nabuo ang pagmamahal ng tandem namin ni Gladys, to Mother Lily, for my first manager, Jesus Sida, Tito Alfie, Sumalangit Nawa, marami naman kaming pinagdaanan na pag-aaway, malaki ang tinulong niya sa akin. My network, ABS-CBN, Tita Corny, Ma'am Charo, Star Cinema, everyone, each and everyone na nakasama ko po sa industriya ko, sila ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Sila ang bumuo sa akin at habang buhay ko po, ipagpapasalamat ang lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa industriya. Hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin ang industriya ang kinalakihan ko. Salamat.
Congratulations to a night. Wow. male celebrity. Congratulations, Arjo Atayde. And for our Secretary House Awards 2025 Face of the Night Female Celebrity goes to Julian Santos.
First time ko pong manalo nito. Maraming salamat, Mama, at mabuhay ang pelikula ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Graduate ako. Oh my gosh. Salamat po sa napakaraming magandang mukha dito, especially of course Marian Rivera, my sister. Ikaw dapat to, baby eh. But thank you for the recognition. Salamat. Lumilubel, pag nagagawa na po ako ng Star of the Night o Face of the Night, imposible po talaga, nangyayari po talaga eh. Salamat po. Ang ganda ng tulog ko mamaya dito. Thank you! Sorry to my 21st seat, my stylist, my makeup artist. Bago ko makalimutan, and Beyonce for my hair, and for my ATM, for my dress. Thank you very much.